But yeah, I guess we can move on to our next game, which is 2 truths and 1 lie. So to understand a little bit more about your journey, we're going to ask you to give us 3 statements from which 2 things are going good and is the truth and 1 is the lie. And then Anuj and I have to guess which one is the lie.
Got it. Perfect.
It can be from your professional journey, personal journey, whatever you like.
Just so you know, I'm a horrible liar, but I will try my best. Okay. So I will tell you. The first one is that I climbed the Great Wall of China. The second one is that I went dog sledding in Alaska. And the third one is that I participated in San Fermin in Spain, and we had bulls running behind us.
Oh, like
so,
is that an
the bull run? Yeah.
I'm gonna go with number 3.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with Great Wall of China.
Okay. That you think that's the lie, right? Okay, he was right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't imagine me running with bulls. I probably wouldn't do that.
Yeah, you have way too much.
Yeah.
What was it that?
Her face was like horribly straight when she said the third one.
Really?
I told you I'm a really bad liar.
I don't play this game based on like merits of what you're saying. I just look at the person like
He
dead straight
observes.
to see what like, which statement they said differently.
Yeah.
And for you, it was the third one.
Why did you think the Great Wall was a lie?
It was like the most normal out of the 3.
Right.
The other 2 were like
quite
adventurous.
crazy.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, Great Wall of China. Like
Yeah.
that's a comment.
Yeah.
Like that.
No, but the way you thought, your thought process was right.
Okay.
But I actually did climb it.
Even
That's
I did
crazy.
that.
Yeah.
Half of it. Oh, I don't know. Like in Beijing, do you climb the whole thing?
Yeah, you can.
I want to say yes, but I didn't.
Oh, okay. I got the medal. Does that count?
I'd
as-
say,
Okay.
but you buy the medal, right?
Really? I can't remember.
I think I bought mine.
Okay.
And then y'all are very embarrassing story. So we'd gone to China for a maths tournament through school. And so there was one teacher accompanying us and about 5 of our students.
Yeah.
And we after the tournament was done and everything, we kept another day just to like go around. So we went to the Great Wall of China. And that time I was a very fat, unfit kid.
Really? I
And-
can't imagine that.
Yeah, I was like massive. So we started climbing and then it was me and the teacher, who, not to be rude, was also not particularly fit. And so she had like a leg issue and stuff. So she, I think 100 steps in was like, hey guys, I'm not doing this. It's way like, because you can see that like the
And it's
journey
uneven
that's
as
left.
well.
Yeah, it is.
So she was like, I'm not doing this. I can't do this. And then I looked at the rest of the group and I was like, you know what, guys, you all carry on. I'll take care of ma'am. I'll take her back down. Because I was dead at that point. I could not.
Just acted like
I was
an
trying
Asian.
to lift my leg up and go. And then one of my like best friends who was on the trip, he looked at me, he laughed. And then
He was
oh,
he was like
So
cheeky.
he-
He was like, that's so cheeky. You got some bonus points with the teacher, I hope. She gave you a
she also knew. She was like, yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
she
I know
knew.
you can't climb. Come, we go back down. We sat at the gift shop.
Oh no.
But like there were all those like cringy like photo spots like out, like you put your head out and
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. I remember there was this little kid, a little Chinese boy, super cute, leaning down. And me and my mom, we were getting anxiety, like because we were so scared he would fall. And the mom was sitting right there indifferent, like chilling, taking her pictures. I remember both of us running and we were like, please, like hold your kid, like he's gonna fall and stuff. And she was like, okay. Yeah.
But yeah, no, it was fun ish, I guess. I don't know.
It was fun. The pictures were fun, right?
Yeah. And the medal apparently that I think
Exactly. Yeah, you definitely bought it. I think so. I mean, I did.
Yeah.
They were selling it when you go down. They're like, oh, congrats, you won it? And I'm like, yeah. And then they're like, buy it. And then they charge you some amount.
Maybe because like we were in a massive group and we went like with school as well. I went for H1 to Beijing.
Okay.
So I don't know, like, yeah, if we pay, like, I don't think my school paid. So it's probably that we might have. And I've just like blocked it from my memory. But.
Okay, yeah. It's good to discard all the,
Yeah,
the things
like,
you don't want
obviously
to
I got the
remember.
medal, like-
Yeah, same. We can edit that part out.
Yeah.